Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope you guys are staying safe, free of COVID, of course, staying healthy. Tonight, I'm going to bring you another review, of course. This one is of a brand new company. It's a great company. It's a great named company. That company name is Beer Belly Beard Company. Stay tuned. It's going to get crazy. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. Appreciate all the support over here on YouTube and Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, I'll leave my handle right here. As long as my Facebook. I don't usually get on Facebook anymore, but you know, some people do. And of course, my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Tonight's company we're going to go over is a brand new company, so new. They just come out, I think, less than 2 months ago. They have one scent, but my bearded brother Corey Wilson is working on a collab with them. I don't know if they're finished yet, but that scent, if you read in the description when you go to the site, it's going to be a good scent. But this company is called Beer Belly Beard Company. That's right. Brand new company, as I stated, and they sent me out a combo. I believe CBreezy, one of my bearded fellow brothers, did a review on it. Great company, great products, and what they sent me is a combo of their oil and butter. Of course, the name of the company, the Beer Belly Beard Company. What better way to name your first oil rather, beer oil. I mean, look at that, check that out. How awesome is that? I've had this for about 2 weeks. The consistency of the oil is a nice, it's on the lighter side, not real thick. The scent of this oil, it threw me off. I don't know if you guys remember my Instagram post. When you crack open a Budweiser, Bud Light, when you're getting beer off a tap, you get that head on that beer. That's what this smells like. But don't shut off yet. Don't leave. When you warm this beard oil up and this beard butter, that scent goes away, and to me it has like a berry type scent, it's just a real fruity, not a fruity, but berries type scent, and it's a nice scent. It's a really relaxing type scent. This would be good for nighttime butter and a nighttime oil rather. The scent you get, you crack open that fresh beer, that's the first, as soon as you apply that to your beard, that's the scent you get. As soon as you dump some in your hands, you warm it up, you get that fresh berry smell, and it's a real nice berry smell. The oil makes my beard really soft. The ingredients in the oil are argan oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, and essential oils. It's a lighter oil, which isn't a big deal to me. It goes nice in my beard. My beard hair soaks it up. Feels good on the skin. The beard butter, same thing. It's a nice consistency. You throw it in beard, and the consistency of it, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a real nice white. It's a real soft butter. I'll get a little bit on my hands and show you guys. I'll actually throw some in for you. If I can get the lid on. The ingredients in the butter, let's see, shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed, vitamin E, and essential oils. Put it in hand. You can see, and kind of mix it up. It takes a few. Oh, I'm dropping it everywhere. It takes a little bit to mix it up. I think I just dropped some, yeah. But once you mix it up, you get that berry scent. That's really nice. And it's cool because it changes throughout the day as well. You get it in beard, when you first crack it open, it smells, like I said, like the beer. Warming up, throw it in beard, and it's got that berry scent, and it's a really, really nice scent. And no, it doesn't smell like alcohol. When you first open up, it smells like beer. Don't let that scare you off, because the berry scent that comes off of it is absolutely amazing. It like shocked me when I first opened it. I'm like, honestly, I was like, who would want their beard to smell like a beer? And then I threw it in beard throughout the day. My wife even loves the scent. So, I mean, she's a beer drinker, of course. And the berry scent, like I said, it's just a nice berry scent. For being a new company, I think they're going to do big things. The way this oil and butter feels in beard, it's just amazing. Like I said, my brother has a collab with him, Corey Wilson. Be watching out for that. Everything will be in the description box below, guys. Don't let that first scent fool you. If you do buy this, you're going to love this product. Everything will be in the description box below. To the guys at the Beer Belly Beard Company, thanks for sending this out. I appreciate it. Until the next review, guys, peace.